today's video, we are going to learn how to create a beautiful aesthetic cover to your note or else your presentation. Alright, to start the project, I am going to open Microsoft PowerPoint from the Start button. Then we can give the blank document option. Alright, so from the Home tab, I'll be selecting the Layout option, and from here, I am going to select Blank. First of all, we need to add the main letters of our topic. So for today's project, I'll be using the word computer. To create our letters, I am going to use the text box option. And let's start from the letter C. So I will be pasting the same content 8 times like this. Okay, so let's place the letters on the proper places. So I have placed all my letters properly. Now I'm going to select the exact font style for my cover. The font size also I have changed a bit. Okay, we'll do some adjustments over here because I have already changed the font styles and the sizes. Okay, so now I have to put the shadow behind my letter. Okay, so for this I'll be using the shapes option. So as you all have learned before, we have to go to the Insert tab. From here, we'll give the shapes option. I'll be selecting a rectangle. I'll place my rectangle over here, and the letter should come front and the rectangular box should be placed under the letter. Okay, so you can here simply use the send behind option. Okay, you have to do the same thing, the same editing for the all 8 letters. Alright, so I have done with my letters as well as the shadows also. Now what I'm going to do is I have to place my letters according to a simple order. Okay, we'll drag it over here and we'll take the letter C a bit down. So likewise, I'll be changing all the letters accordingly. So now the time has come to change our colors. So when you all are choosing the colors, it's better if you all can use the pastel color theme. So it would be a very elegant project. Okay, so as the next option, I'll be putting a small shadow to each and every letter so that you can see the letter very clearly. Once you put the same color to the box and the letter, you can't see the letter properly now. So that's why I have used a small shadow here. Right, so finally let's slant our letters a bit, then it's very beautiful. Tada! So this is my final project. So my dear kids, I hope you all have enjoyed the lesson today. So I wish all of you a beautiful day, and let's meet with another new video very soon. Thank you very much.